All right, so 2010 with the 4.6. It has an aftermarket H-pipe factory catback exhaust. Today we're gonna put the Borla S Type exhaust on, just the axle back. Stay tuned. All right, so we got it up here on the lift. As you can see, factory mufflers there. So basically, with just replacing the axle back, you got the one clamp here, you got the one hanger there, and then on the back here, you'll have the second hanger. You can see on the Borla, it's got the two hangers per side there, and it comes with the new clamps. So we will start to take it off. Also, kind of an update. Kind of seeing better. We did put lowering springs, some iBox on it. The car sits level now. It seems like they have a big rake as far as how they sit from factory. So the car sits great now. You can see the stock number there for the iBox. All right, guys, so we got all the exhaust off. Did have to take a couple clamps and let's do a quick fire up with no mufflers on it before we put the Borlas on. Go ahead. All right. Guys, with the 10 Mustang GT, just got the Borla S Type axle back exhaust on, and I'm driving it here. As you can see earlier in the video, the exhaust is not super loud. My dad was looking for something that had like the little bit deep throatier sound to it, but not loud. And I think he got exactly that. You know, those of you wanting something louder, I think the Attack's probably what you're looking for, the Borla Attack exhaust. But the S Type, you're just going to get, you know, a throatier sound. I know it's kind of hard to tell in the video. It does sound real good. It has startup, and it's just real tame when you drive. It's just, you know, it lets you know you're in a sports car, but you know you're not. Yeah, you know, it's nothing crazy. So overall, he's very happy with it. Exactly what he wanted. You can hear it when you get down on it and everything. It does sound really good. Yeah, as far as installing the exhaust, I say, you know, it's pretty easy. We had a couple bolts that are a little bit tougher to get to, but overall pretty easy with just being an axle back. Yeah, so stay tuned. Of course, you can see the snow on the ground. It's winter here, so we're making a whole lot of videos, but a lot of videos here and there. I just got new VMS wheels for the black 17 Mustang GT that I'll be putting on soon. Other than that, as we get some stuff, we'll have some how-to videos and other videos along the way, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.